Today I'm going to be talking about triangle congruence postulates. First, I am going to look at the SSS postulate. The SSS postulate is also known as the side-side-side postulate. This postulate states that if three sides of one triangle is congruent to the other three sides of another triangle, and that means the two triangles are congruent. In this model, you can see that this side is congruent to this side congruent to this side, and this side is congruent to this side. That means that the two triangles are congruent. The next postulate is the SAS postulate. The SAS postulate is also known as the side-angle-side postulate. This postulate states that if one angle in between two sides of a triangle are congruent to another triangle, then both triangles are congruent. In this model, you can see that this side is congruent to this side is congruent to this side, and this angle is congruent to this angle. And this angle is in between these two sides. The next postulate is the SSA postulate. This postulate does not prove congruency. This is because you could have the same angle and the same congruent sides, but this side can be different. The next postulate is the ASA postulate. This postulate is also known as the angle-side-angle postulate. This postulate states that if two angles with one side in between are congruent to the other triangle, then both triangles are congruent. So according to this model, this angle is congruent to this angle, this side is congruent to this side, and this angle is congruent to this angle, and this side is in between these two angles. The next postulate is the AAS postulate. This postulate is short for angle-angle-side. This postulate states that if there are two angles on one side, that if two angles on one side are congruent to the other triangle, then both triangles are congruent. So this angle is congruent to this angle, and this angle is congruent to this angle, and this side is congruent to this side. The last postulate is the AAA postulate. This postulate is also known as the angle-angle-angle postulate. This postulate states that if all angles in one triangle are congruent to all the angles in another triangle, then the two triangles are not congruent, but are similar. Similar means that you have the same angle but different side lengths, as seen in this model.